Mathematics Class 8th, Chapter 4th, Practical Geometry, Exercise 4.1. Question number first, third part. In this question, we are constructing practical geometry figures. In third part, we need to construct a parallelogram whose name should be MORE. The word of caution: if you do not understand any part in this explanation, it's better to watch previous first and second part of this same question number first. With this said, let's try to construct a third part. Before sketching even a single line segment, we always check the cyclicity of the given problem. Here we have OR. Here cyclicity is maintained, that is, they are continuous. Therefore, it must be the side of this parallelogram. Now RE, again cyclicity is maintained, that is, it is continuous. Therefore, 4.5 cm must be the another side of this parallelogram. So we are given with two different sides of parallelogram. With this, we can easily find other two sides which are same as that of given sides, because we are dealing with the parallelogram. Also, third line segment is given to us as EO. Here it is not continuous. That is, one letter is missing. That is, it skips one letter. Therefore, line segment EO equals to 7.5 cm must be diagonal of this parallelogram MORE. With this, we got all the information about this parallelogram. So the step number 0 is our rough sketch representation. Let's first try to construct one of the side, that is RE equals to 4.5 cm. We took our ruler and a pencil and we draw line segment ER equal to 4.5 cm. It is a rough sketch, we are not taking actual measurements, just an idea. If we observe here, we have RE and it is clockwise direction. Therefore, O must be here followed with M at this place. So if we have O over here, so we need to find line segment OR. Well, we are given with the measurement equals to 6 cm. So we took approximately 90 degrees because we are drawing a rough sketch. Therefore, OR is our line segment whose measurement is 6 cm. Now we have 2 points, O and E, whose measurement is given to us as 7.5 cm. Therefore, we marked it down and it is our given diagonal. Now it is just a matter to find M point. Since it is a parallelogram, therefore, measurement of this line segment MO should be equal to ER, which is equal to 4.5 cm. Again, measurement of line segment ME must be equal to 6 cm because it is a parallelogram and opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal to each other. With this, we have successfully performed our step number 0, that is, we have constructed a rough sketch. Now it is just a matter to plot all these given points with the actual measurements, which will give us our final parallelogram MORE. So in our step number first, we simply construct line segment ER with actual measurement as 4.5 cm. So we did the same and we marked the measurement as 4.5 cm. That completes our step number first and we have constructed this particular line segment. Now it is a matter to find point M or O. It is our personal preference. In this case, we are first trying to find point O. So how we can find this point O? Well, it is at a distance of 7.5 cm from point E. Also, this point O is at a distance of 6 cm from point R. With the help of our compasses and adjusting it, we can easily find point O. So first of all, with the help of compasses and ruler, we will adjust our compasses at a distance of 7.5 cm and put the needle over E because we are considering this distance, that is EO line segment distance. And we draw an arc like this. From E, we have done successfully. Now we will readjust our compasses at a distance of 6 cm because this time we are considering the measurement of this line segment OR. And put the needle over R and we will draw like this. So wherever it intersects, that is, wherever both these arcs intersect each other, that will be our required point O, which would be at a distance of 7.5 centimeter from point E and at a distance of 6 centimeter from point R. That completes our step number 2. In step number 3, we simply took our ruler and draw actual line segment. With this, we have completed one triangle of this parallelogram. In step number 4, we simply make our work tidy by jotting down the measurements. That is, from EO, we have 7.5 centimeter, so the same has been represented. From ER, 4.5 centimeter, from RO, 6 centimeter. Now, in step number 5, we need to find this point M. Since it is a parallelogram, therefore, this distance must be 6 centimeter. That is, from point E to point M, distance is 6 centimeter. So we readjust the compasses at a distance of 6 centimeter, put the needle over E and draw this arc. Drawing this arc means that all the points in this arc are at a distance of 6 centimeter from point E. Again, from point O, the distance to this point M is 4.5 centimeter because we are dealing with parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel and equal to each other in measurements. Therefore, we adjust our compasses at a distance of 4.5 centimeter, put the needle over this point O and draw this arc. With this, wherever both these arcs intersect, we successfully found point M. In step 6, we again use our ruler in order to construct actual line segments. And in the final step, step number 7, we simply make our work tidy by jotting down the actual measurements. If you observe, there is a difference in our rough sketch and our final sketch. Here, this distance seems longer than this distance, wherever it should not be. The actual measurement gives us the actual figure. Because 4.5 centimeter is less than 6 centimeter, therefore, the longest side must be this. Therefore, the orientation of these both figures are different. And this rough sketch is very helpful in order to construct the final figure. With this, we have successfully completed our third part. That is, we have constructed parallelogram MORE in a clockwise direction. With this, part 3 of question number 1, chapter name Practical Geometry, has been solved.